Good morning, children. Welcome to today's section. Children, in our last class, we were discussed about input functions and output functions. Okay, for reading the data, you can use the keyword input, and to send the result, you can use the print statement. So, print statement is a function used to give output. Okay, then in this video, I will explain some sample programs. Okay. So these sample programs will help you to find or to learn how to use these input and output functions to develop a program. Okay, so let us start with our first program. See children, this is a program to input a welcome message and print it. Okay, so see here the variable name is message, that is equal to input enter welcome message. So when this displayed on the screen, you can print your welcome messages here. Okay, then it will print hello, then this message. Okay, now let us check what will be the output. To find the output, so before finding the output, first you have to save the program. To save your program, you can click on this file button, then click on save button. This program I already saved, that's why now I'm not giving any more name. See, it will save it again. Then next, now I save this program again with the same name. Then to run the program, you can click on this run button, then click on run module. Okay, see the F5 keyword. F5 is the shortcut key to run your program. So let us check what will be the output. So now I'm pressing this F5 key. See what is the output. Here you can type your message. Okay, so here I'm typing welcome. Welcome to the world of Python. Okay, now I'm typing welcome to the world of Python. Now I'm press this enter. See what is printed the hello, welcome to the world of Python. See what is your program. This is a program input enter welcome message. So here you can type. Okay, in this page you can type your message, then print hello. Can you see this hello in double quotes? That's why here printing this hello. Okay, whatever you given in between these double quotes, that will print on your screen. Okay, see here one comma is also there, that's why this comma printed here. Then message, for message there is no double quote, and message is a variable name. Okay, the variable name, when you give this variable name in between this double quotes or single quote, that variable name will be printed on screen. Here no double quotes or single quotes, that's why the value stored or to which value this variable is referring to, that value will be printed here. That's why we get the output hello, welcome to the world of Python. Okay, so let us move to our second program. So to take the second program, you can, I already said some programs here. Then to open our second program, you can click on this file, then click on open button. Here you can choose your program. Now I am choosing second program. So this is our second program. This program is to find the sum of three numbers. Okay, so what is the logic to find sum of three numbers? Yes, to find sum of three numbers, first we have to read three numbers from the user. That's why here I am declaring three variables num1, num2, num3. In num1 to read first number, num2 to read second number, and num3 to read third number. Okay, so after getting all the three numbers, then I find the sum by adding all these three numbers. That is sum is equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. So now we get three numbers and we find the sum. So we can print three numbers are num1, num2, num3, and print sum is sum. Okay, see here one sum is, okay, but this sum is given in between double quotes, that why this word will be printed. But for this sum there is no double quote or single quote, that's why the variable or the value that is stored in this sum variable will be printed. Okay, now let us check what will be the output. See here, you will get the first statement, enter number 1. So now I am giving the number 3. Now enter number 2. Now I am giving this number 4. Then third statement is number 3. Here I am giving this 8. Then what will be the output? Yes. See, here 3 numbers. So first it print 3 numbers. The given numbers is printed at first. That is 3 numbers sum 3, 4, 8. After that it print the sum is 15. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, so our answer is right. Now I believe you all understood how to do this program. Now let us move with our next program. To open our next program, click on this file button, click on OK, click on open. Then you can choose your second program from your system. Now I open our third program. The third program to calculate the area of a rectangle. You already know how to find the area of a rectangle. To find the area of a rectangle, first you need to read the length and breadth. Okay, the area, the equation to find the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, that's why here I'm declaring two variables, length and breadth. Then for length I'm reading the end of the length of a rectangle. So whatever the value that you given here will read into the length. Then second one is breadth. See, all these two variables are declared as float. Can you see the float symbol here? That means the value that you entered here will automatically convert into the floating point value. Okay, so here float input enter breadth of a rectangle. So first you can enter the length, then you can enter breadth. After getting this length and breadth, you can find the area is equal to length into breadth. So print rectangle specifications. So here you can print length is equal to length, the end is equal to the space. Can you see the spaces here? This is the end operator. What is the use of this end operator? When you use this end operator, this space will be printed in your screen. Then it will continue with the next line. If you didn't give any space operator, the print statement automatically add one null and character at the end. So here we are printing length, breadth, then area is equal to area. Now let us check what will be the output. Now I am running the program. See here, you can enter length of a rectangle. Okay, here I am enter the length of a rectangle as 5. Then breadth of a rectangle that I am giving as 6. Okay, length is equal to 5 and breadth is equal to 6. Then what will be the rectangle specification? What will be the output? First it print the rectangle specifications. Length is equal to 5.0, breadth is equal to 6.0 and area is equal to 30.0. Children, do you know why we get this 5.0? Here we are giving only 5, but when it prints it gives 5.0. This is because we read both length and breadth in the form of floating point numbers. Okay, both numbers we convert into the floating point. That's why here we have both decimal part and integer part, fractional part. Okay, so now I believe you all understood what is the use of this end character. See here, the end is equal to space we given in the program. End is equal to space. Okay, that's why length and breadth are printed in the same line. See here, length and breadth are printed in the same line. Length is equal to 5.0, breadth is equal to 6.0. Then now we can move with our next program. So I am opening one more program here. Click on this open button. Here you can click on program 4. Now I am open program number 4. This program is used to input a number and print its cube. Okay, to find cube of a number, you already know how to find the cube of a number. Cube means you can multiply the given number in 3 times. Okay, for example 2, then 2 into 2 into 2 will give its cube. So it's a very simple program. So to find the cube, first you can read one number, that is num is equal to int of input enter a number. See, in this example, here I am choosing this keyword int. Okay, that's why whatever the input or whatever the value you entered through the keyboard, that value will be converted into its corresponding integer. Then cube is equal to num into num into num. So the value will be multiplied 3 times. So we get to your cube, then you can print the given number and its cube. Okay, so let us run the program. To run your program, you can click on this run button, then click on this run module, or you can simply press F5 key on your keyboard. See here, the enter number is asked here. Here I am giving this 5. Giving this 5, then press enter, then number is 5. Wait for a while, I will rearrange the screen. Here you can enter your number. So here I am entering a number 5. See, so the given number is 5 and its cube is 125. Okay, then I will explain one more program. To open one more program, here I am click on this file button, click on open, then I choose one more program number 5. So this program to input a value in kilometers and convert it into miles. Okay, this program is used to convert kilometers into miles. See, 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621371 miles. Okay, this is the equation to convert 1 kilometer into miles. So first you can read the kilometers. That kilometers you can convert into an integer number. That's why here one variable km, that is equal to int of input enter kilometers. Okay, so here you can give your kilometer. So miles is equal to that kilometers into 0.621371. Okay, so very simple program. So you can print this kilometers equal to km, then miles equal to miles. Okay, so let us run the program. When we run the program, here kilometers, now I am typing kilometers equal to 12. So it converts into miles. Okay, so we get this miles as 7.45645. Okay, so this is the answer for the given question. Okay, children. So now I believe you all understood how to use this print and input statement while writing the programs. Okay, so today I explained 5 programs. Okay, then few more programs will explain on next lecture video. Whatever the programs are given in this lecture video, that you all have to note in your notebook. Okay, then please try to do more programs like this using these simple input and output statements. Okay, see you again with some more programs. Till then, thank you.